Do you play chess? Oh, did he just... I'm sorry, but did you just purposely bump into my friend over there?
Yeah, so what? They're in my way.
Seems to me you could have easily just got round him with such a little crowd.
You know what? I don't care. If you want an apology, you'll have to win the fight against me. How about it?
Sorry, folks, I'm not much of a fighter. You'll have to try something else.
Like what?
I was thinking more like a game of chess.
Ah! Too much brain power! I can't take it!
What a night. I'm glad everyone else got out in time.
Would you like to dance, ma'am?
Actually, Mo, that's... Never mind.